Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Iman, where learning English is easy and practical. I'm Iman, and I'm so happy to see you all today.
Hi everyone, I'm Inaya. Today was kind of busy, but I'm excited to chat with you, Iman.
I feel the same. Some days just feel very long, but alhamdulillah, we made it to the evening.
Yes. So today we are going to talk about our day. Talk about your day is a very useful phrase. You can use it with friends, family, or coworkers.
Exactly. And in this episode, we'll show you how to describe your daily life naturally using time expressions, daily activities, transitions, and feelings.
Mornings are always interesting. How was your morning today, Iman?
Hmm. I woke up around 6:30 a.m. and honestly, I was still half asleep. I prayed Fajr first, and that gave me energy to start.
Oh, I woke up at 6 a.m. feeling sleepy. I had to stretch a little and drink water. That helped me wake up.
That's nice. After that, I had a quick breakfast, eggs and bread. Very simple but tasty.
Really? I had oatmeal and tea. I like calm breakfasts. It helps me feel ready for the day.
After breakfast, I checked my messages and emails, just in case something urgent happened.
Oh, I do the same. I check messages quickly so I'm not surprised later.
Then I got dressed and prepared my bag for work. Sometimes I forget small things, but today, alhamdulillah, everything was ready.
I always check my bag twice. You never know when you forget a notebook or pen.
Exactly. Around 8:15 a.m., I left the house. Traffic was light, so that was good.
I left a little later, around 8:30 a.m., and yes, traffic was easy today. Some days it's stressful, some days it's calm.
Yes, traffic is always unpredictable.
So, what did you do after reaching work?
First, I checked the tasks I had for the day. Some emails, a few meetings, organizing my schedule. I felt busy but productive.
Busy means you had many things to do, right?
Exactly. Then I had a short coffee break and talked with colleagues. Social time is nice. It helps me feel relaxed for the next tasks.
I love small breaks like that. I had a short walk and tea after my morning study session. It helped me feel calm.
After that, I started working on the main tasks. Some were easy, some were challenging.
I know that feeling. I had 2 chapters to study this morning. Reading can be interesting, but also tiring.
True. Around 12:30 p.m., I had lunch. I made a sandwich and salad.
I had pasta and some fruit. MashaAllah, I felt happy because it was healthy and filling.
Yes, healthy meals are good. After lunch, I had a meeting with my team. We planned some projects. I felt productive and excited.
That's nice. I also did study work after lunch. I tried to finish exercises and notes for my course.
Being focused is important. Focused means paying full attention to your task.
Yes. Then I took a small break, listened to music for 10 minutes, and relaxed. Music always helps me feel calm.
Oh, I listened to a short podcast during my break. It's a nice way to refresh the mind after work.
After that, I checked messages and replied to friends. Social time, even in the afternoon, is nice.
True. I had to reply to emails too. A little stressful, but manageable.
Yes, sometimes stressful is normal, but later we feel relaxed.
Later in the afternoon, I went for a short walk. Walking helps me think and relax after a busy day.
I walked in the park near my home. Fresh air is always refreshing.
Then I cooked dinner. Today I made rice and vegetables. Cooking is fun, but can take time.
I made a simple salad and some soup. Sometimes simple meals are best.
Yes, after dinner I cleaned the kitchen. Cleaning up means washing dishes and putting things in order.
Oh, I did the same. It's better to clean right after eating.
Then I spent some time reading a book. Reading is relaxing and peaceful.
That's nice. I watched a short video and prayed. It's very calming.
I also prepared for the next day, set my clothes, and checked my bag. Reduces stress in the morning.
True. Being organized is very helpful.
Finally, I went to bed around 10:30 p.m., feeling tired but happy with the day.
I went to bed around 11 p.m. I felt calm and relaxed after my evening routine.
Let's review some useful expressions from today. Busy, productive, stressful, relaxed, and focused.
Also, checking messages, taking a break, cleaning up, preparing for tomorrow, and going for a walk.
You can repeat these expressions to describe your day.
For example, I was busy in the morning, but I felt relaxed in the evening.
Or, I went for a walk after lunch and felt calm.
Don't worry about mistakes. Keep sentences simple and clear. Practice every day. Insha'Allah, your English will improve.
Now let's do a role play. One day is chaotic, one day is organized. I will describe a chaotic day.
I'm ready.
Okay, imagine I woke up late at 8 a.m. I was shocked. I missed breakfast, had to hurry up, quickly dressed, forgot my bag, and ran to work.
Oh no, seriously? That happens to me too sometimes.
Yes, I felt very stressed, and by the time I arrived, I was out of breath.
That's the worst.
Exactly. I had to reply to emails without checking my schedule. The afternoon felt chaotic too.
Yes, one mistake in the morning can make the whole day crazy.
Then, a perfect day, wake up early, 6:30 a.m., pray, eat breakfast calmly, check messages, get dressed on time, leave the house on time.
That sounds very nice.
Go to work with a smile, focus on tasks, take breaks, eat lunch calmly, walk in the afternoon, cook dinner, end the day relaxed.
Wow, that is a perfect routine.
These examples help describe different types of days in English.
Yes, you can say, today was chaotic, but I managed to finish tasks, or today was perfect and relaxing.
Everyone listening, try describing your day in simple sentences.
For example, I worked in the morning and relaxed in the evening.
Or, I studied after lunch and went for a walk later.
Don't worry about mistakes. Keep practicing. Insha'Allah, your English will improve. Let's compare our days now. I felt stressed in the morning but relaxed in the evening.
I felt busy all day, but after walking and cooking dinner, I felt calm.
That's nice. Some days are productive, some days relaxing. Both are okay.
What about our listeners? What was your day like?
Write in the comments, my morning was busy, but my evening was relaxing. Or I felt stressed after lunch, but happy after dinner.
Also, share, I had a productive morning, or I had a relaxing afternoon. It's fun to see different days.
I enjoy reading about other people's routines too.
Later, we can share some stories and talk more about evening habits, personal opinions, and future plans.
Yes, let's continue exploring daily life, feelings, and simple stories.
So, Inaya, let's continue talking about our evening. After work, what do you usually do first?
Usually I take a short break first, maybe 15 minutes. I sit on the sofa, drink some water, and just breathe. It helps me feel calm after a busy day.
Oh, I do the same sometimes. I like to sit quietly for a few minutes, scroll through my phone, check messages, and relax a little before cooking or studying.
Scrolling through my phone means looking at messages, social media, or news, but just a little, not too long.
Exactly. Then I usually decide what to do for dinner. Today, I made a simple chicken and rice meal. Cooking is relaxing for me sometimes, you know?
Really? That's nice. I made pasta with vegetables today. Sometimes I feel cooking is fun, other times it feels like work.
Yes, I know that feeling. By Allah's mercy, today it was calm, so cooking felt fun.
After dinner, I usually clean up the kitchen, put dishes in the sink or dishwasher, wipe the table, and organize a little.
Oh, cleaning up after dinner is important. I feel much better when the kitchen is tidy.
Yes, even a small, tidy space makes me feel relaxed.
Then I sometimes spend some time reading a book or listening to calm music. Reading helps me think about the day and feel peaceful.
I like to read too, maybe for 20, 30 minutes. Sometimes I journal a little and write what happened today.
Journaling is very good. You can remember achievements, reflect on your feelings, and even plan tomorrow.
Yes, today I wrote a few sentences about my work, my study, and small things that made me happy.
That's a very nice habit. Small achievements are important, for example, finishing a task or helping someone.
Exactly. Speaking of small achievements, today I managed to finish all my study exercises before dinner. I felt proud.
Really, that's great. I also completed all my work emails before walking. Feeling productive is really good, isn't it?
Ah, yes. Productive means completing tasks and feeling satisfied.
Later in the evening, I sometimes call my family or friends. Talking to them makes me happy and relaxed.
Oh, I do the same. Even a short call can improve your mood.
Around 9 p.m., I usually prepare for the next day, set clothes, check bag, and organize my desk. That way, morning feels easier.
I also prepare my things before bed. That reduces stress in the morning and helps me sleep better.
Then I do some light stretching or exercise. Not too much, just enough to feel healthy.
Ah, I love stretching. It makes me feel relaxed and ready to sleep.
Finally, I read for a few more minutes or listen to soft music before turning off the lights.
Yes, soft music or a short story is very calming. I feel peaceful before bed.
So that's my evening routine: calm, organized, and reflective.
Ah, mine is similar, but sometimes a little more relaxed or playful.
I know. Sometimes we feel tired and just want to sit and scroll for a long time.
Exactly. That's okay too. Even relaxing is part of a healthy routine.
Let's quickly review some useful expressions from today.
Sure, we have productive, relaxed, busy, calm, and tired.
Also, scroll through my phone, clean up, prepare for tomorrow, call a friend, stretch, read a book.
You can say, I was productive in the afternoon, but relaxed in the evening, or I read a book before bed to feel calm.
Yes, simple sentences like that work perfectly.
Okay, Iman, let's talk about personal opinions. How do you feel about your day today?
Today was busy, but by Allah's mercy, productive. I finished most tasks and still had time to relax.
That's very nice. I also felt happy and calm in the evening. I finished my study and had a good dinner.
Some days are stressful, some calm. Both are okay, as long as we try our best.
True, and even a small rest or relaxing moment makes a big difference.
Let's talk about future plans. Tomorrow, I want to wake up early, pray, and go for a short walk before work.
I plan to study in the morning, finish exercises, and maybe cook a new recipe for lunch.
That's nice. Planning helps us feel organized and motivated.
Yes, and it helps us manage time better, avoiding stress.
Now, let's compare productive versus lazy evenings. Today, I had a productive evening, cleaned kitchen, read a book, and planned for tomorrow.
I had a little lazy evening. I watched a short video and relaxed on the sofa. Both evenings are fine.
Exactly. Lazy evenings can help recover energy. Productive evenings prepare for tomorrow. Balance is key.
Let's talk about screen time. I try not to use my phone too long at night. Too much screen can affect sleep.
True. I also limit screen time before bed. Instead, reading or listening to soft music is better.
What about exercise? Stretching or walking can improve mood and help sleep.
Yes, light exercise is perfect. Nothing too tiring, just enough to feel healthy.
And reading before bed is calming and peaceful, helps reflect on the day.
Exactly. Journaling or thinking about achievements also helps feel grateful.
Ah, gratitude is important. By Allah's mercy, we had good days today.
Now, let's ask our listeners, what does your evening routine look like?
Yes, do you usually relax after work or stay productive?
What time do you usually wake up? Are you a morning person or night owl?
Share in the comments. We would love to hear about your daily life and feelings.
These small sharing moments are fun. We can learn from each other.
Yes, even simple sentences like, I study in the morning and relax in the evening, or I cook dinner and read before bed are perfect.
Now, a little personal touch. I like to have tea in the evening. It helps me calm down.
Ah, I prefer warm milk or herbal tea, soothing and relaxing.
Organized evenings are great, but sometimes a little chaotic evening is also fun.
Yes, sometimes we forget small things, but laugh and continue.
Small achievements during the day are very important. Even finishing a short task or calling a friend counts.
Exactly. And sharing feelings like I felt busy or I was happy helps express yourself naturally in English.
Everyone listening, practice describing your day out loud. Even simple sentences are enough.
For example, I worked in the morning, studied in the afternoon, and relaxed in the evening.
Or, I felt stressed at work, but I had a happy evening with dinner and reading.
Remember, short sentences are fine. Repeat words and expressions to improve fluency.
Ah, yes. Busy, productive, relaxed, tired, calm, check messages, prepare for tomorrow, call a friend, stretch, read a book.
You can mix them in sentences, like after work, I was tired, but later I felt relaxed after cooking and reading.
You can also ask someone, how was your day? Or what did you do today?
And answer, I worked in the morning, studied in the afternoon, and relaxed in the evening.
Practice every day, even a few sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Inshallah, you will improve.
I enjoy talking about daily life. Simple stories make learning English fun and practical.
Yes, talking about your day is a natural way to practice English.
Even sharing small things like breakfast, meetings, study, or evening walks is useful.
Now, let's wrap up our episode. Today we talked about morning, afternoon, and evening activities.
We shared feelings, daily routines, small achievements, and future plans.
We also practiced useful expressions, short stories, and transitions like then, after that, later, finally.
We also talked about being productive, relaxed, busy, and calm.
Everyone listening, remember to describe your day in simple sentences.
Share in the comments, write about your morning, afternoon, and evening.
And don't forget to try new expressions, repeat words, and speak out loud.
Keep your sentences clear and short. Even 2 or 3 sentences are perfect.
Alhamdulillah, we had a wonderful chat today. We hope you enjoyed our conversation.
Yes, thank you all for listening and spending time with us.
Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family.
Yes, that will help others learn English too.
Keep practicing and keep improving your English.
Inshallah, we'll be back soon with another fun episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.